Welcome back to RealVacantLand.com, where we have fun buying and selling land. Let's take a look at another one. This one just went up on the website like in the last 10 minutes or so. I mean, it's brand new on the website. It's 10 acres of land. This is in Texas. It's in West Texas. So it's wide open countryside. This is a picture of the area in the background. This isn't the actual property. This is of the area. And I mean, the regulations are basically non-existent. I mean, go check. Don't just take my word for it, but basically from a land dealer's perspective, when people ask if I can do this and if I can do that out here, it's like, yeah, go for it. It's this is West Texas. You can get away with most anything within reason. So 10 acres land, $4,199. Let's jump into the website and take a look at this one. This one is owned by Erica Benson. Erica Benson posted this property on the website just minutes ago. Her phone number is right here over my head. It might be too small to watch in the video, but if you go to the link below in in the description of this video, you can click on that link and go back to RealVacantLand.com, and you can click on her number. You can copy it. If you're in your phone, you can just click on it. It'll start calling her. She's really nice and easy to talk to. She's traded hundreds of properties. She just keeps going for it, keeps coming up with them and making them happen. And so I'm proud to have her post some properties on the website. And here's another one. So take a look at this one. It's Hudspeth County, Texas. It's 10 acres for sale. She's asking cash. It's got the ID number, the county ID number there, and the price. We've got, we don't have a map up on this one. Hudspeth County is a little harder to get the maps on, but we'll try to get some maps up on this one. She's got some drone shot over here. So go back to the video and watch this. It looks like she had somebody go take video, of overall the property. So you can get a view of the actual property, recently taken views. So check that one out too. I'm not going to play it here in this video, but just note that it's there. That's her YouTube channel, but you can get there by going to the link below and watching it. She's been making a lot more videos too. She makes videos about a lot of these properties as well. She's talking about the area, and they're right here. I mean, the main thing she's highlighting is saying there are no known restrictions on the parcel, so it could be used for a variety of potential uses such as off-grid living, camping, or adventure sports. There's a blank. You put the blank, you fill the blank in with what you want to do on this property. Basically, ones I've had in this county in the past, I mean, it's people would try to contact the county and ask, can I do this and can I do that? And they're like, why are you asking us? We don't make up the rules. It's up to you, right? And so that's what it's been in the past. But please go check on your own. And then she does this. She does a 30-day discount or 30-day money-back guarantee. So Erica is doing that. You could buy the property, go look at it, not like it, come back and say, Erica, give my money back, or I want a different one. And she's up for that. I'd rather you went and looked at it first, but she's open for the money-back guarantee. She's got GPS coordinates on here to go look at it. She's saying their taxes are all paid up. They were about $47 in the past. And there's different questions and comments about the property. So I basically just wanted to bring this one to your attention. It's on the website. It's ready to go. If you want to go for it, give Erica a call. Erica Benson. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please hit subscribe, and I'll try to keep them coming from RealVacantLand.com. See you in the next one. Bye.